Hey, what's going on, everybody? TJ with Killstream Outdoors. If you've been following along so far this season, you know it's been a pretty slow season for us in the woods. So I decided to put together a bunch of my favorite outtakes from this season so far. Make sure to like, comment, and share, and hopefully you get a few laughs out of this. Good luck in the woods, everybody. You want to stand outside?
Go for it.
Well, no, I want it to be good, babe. Alright, so we finally made it to the lake. I believe this is Bib Lake, Bib Pond. Do you remember what it was?
Bib.
Bib? Okay. All part of the show. Josh is going swimming for his beloved Colorado. Water's cold. So today I'm out in one of my pieces. I was finally able to call a Tom in, and I blew my chance. I will stand by you forever. Today we're going to be talking about scent control. Today we're going to be talking about scent. Today we're going to